Where are more profit in domestic or export?
Export is more profitable.
And now with the fluctuation in dollar and rupee, how do you maintain your profitability?
We have a very simple policy of hedging the dollar or the currency at the time of the receipt of the order. So we have a benchmark costing, and everything what we sell into the rupee denomination, and while giving the quotes to various international companies, we convert them into the respective currencies like euros, dollars, or pounds, or whatever currency, local currency. So our costing or our product realization remains constant in the rupees. So the problem of volatility in the currencies are not directly affecting us.
What is your market share now?
For exports, we have close to 1.8% of the present market share, and post expansion in the product which we are manufacturing, and the post expansion our manufacturing share will rise to around 9%.
What are your strengths against your competitors?
We have many strengths considering our competitors. Most of our competitors are focused on the single products in that particular sector. There are some companies which are only packaging companies. There are some companies which are only water conservation companies. There are some companies which are only infrastructure material supply companies. We have a product basket which is a combination. So we don't have to worry much about the recessions and one particular sector falling down. We have presence almost in 14 countries across the 4 continents across the globe. So some part of the world, at least the products are always doing well. So comparatively we can say that MB is a recession proof company. We can say that so confidently because even considering past years major recession, we had a top line growth of around 32%, and our export shares did not decline to a substantial level. We are still almost at the 95 or 97% of the previous year's export figures.
How economies of scale is going to help your profitability?
Economics of scale is going to substantially improve on our profitability. Our EBITDA margins are expected to go up by at least 3.5%, and our bottom line is expected to go up by at least 2.5 to 3%. So that will give a substantial jump in EPS as well as net profit in time to come.
How much strong is your brand?
Though we are not in a consumer market, in the industrial market we are one of the strongest players as comparing to any industrial Indian industry. If you see globally, now we are setting a footprints across the world. We are making ourselves available on various international domains such as trade shows, website, international portals. A lot of activities which is related to the brand promotion of MB is in stream, in-house as well as internal brand promotion as well as external commercial brand promotion. In the entire industrial sector, MB is rated as one of the best manufacturing company for the woven polyethylene and polypropylene products.